Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide chats on Snapchat. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead into your search right here at the below right corner. And you're going to type Snapchat, right? And what you're going to do, you're going to make sure that your Snapchat app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. And as you can see right here, if you want to see the unhidden chats, or if you want to see the hidden messages on Snapchat, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to actually recover with your data, right? And by going, let me just go ahead to the images and going to right here to the chat, for example, to that person, and click on the chat settings. In the chat settings, you're gonna be able to see an option that allows you to actually see the hidden messages, right, like in the Snapchat. But if that didn't work out for you, you can go ahead to your Bitmoji on your Snapchat, and then click on the settings at the top right, and from there scroll a little bit down till you find your data, and then just follow along the steps of downloading your data to your device. And basically you get a file request that you want to see your data on Snapchat, including the chats that's been hidden on Snapchat, and basically you're gonna be able to recover it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and thank you for watching.